I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva's bulk create feature so you can generate dozens of designs in just a few clicks. This is perfect for creating batches of social media quotes, invitations, or even personalized cards for different people. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to connect data from a spreadsheet and instantly apply it to your Canva template. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. The first step is to prepare your content. Head over to ChatGPT and ask for a list of, let's say, 30 inspirational quotes. Once you have that list, copy and paste it into Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Save the file so that it is ready to be uploaded. Next, go back to Canva. In the search bar at the top, type in inspirational quote Instagram post. Canva will display a range of templates you can choose from. Select one that fits your style and click Customize this template. Inside the editor, update the creator's name or any placeholder text by double-clicking on the text box. Then, on the left-hand panel, click Bulk Create. Upload the spreadsheet you prepared earlier. Now click on the text box where you want your quotes to appear. Choose Connect Data, select the column with your quotes, and then hit Continue. Canva will automatically generate multiple designs based on the data from your file, saving you tons of time. Once you are satisfied with your designs, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for the best quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Canva's bulk create feature to instantly produce multiple designs. Powerful and beginner friendly. If you want more tutorials like this, don't miss our free Canva masterclass where we cover all the basics step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.